Okay, so today we're going to be doing a multiplication equation, and for this equation we're going to be multiplying a 3-digit number up the top here by a 1-digit number down the bottom. Now if we think of our number 728 and we think about that in terms of splitting it up, I might actually move that over a little bit. So if I move it over here, 728, we'll end up with 700s. We'll end up with 2 10s or 20, and we'll end up with 8 1s. So when we do this, we need to multiply every single one of those numbers by what number, people? That's right, the number 4. So we would then go, am I running out of room? No. We would then go 700 times 4, 20 times 4, and 8 times 4. So that will equal 7 4s are 28 plus add our 2 zeros, 2 4s are 8 plus add our 1 0, and 8 4s equal 1632. Okay, so we've got all those numbers set up there, but we wouldn't leave them like that. We'd actually put them in their place value houses. And that would give us our answer if we added that all up. Now I'm just showing you that because when we come back up to this equation up here, we need to think, I need to multiply every single part of this number 728 by 4. So the first things we're going to do is we're going to go 4 times 8. So we're going to multiply 4 by 8, and we're going to write down what that number is. So 4 8s, we've already worked that out down the bottom here, it was 32. Next, we're going to multiply 4 by 20 here. So we're not going to say 4 times 20 and say that the answer is 80. We're actually going to put down a 0, like we did here a little bit, and we're going to say 4 2s are 8. So now we have that number sorted out, and if you look down the bottom, it is exactly the same as this number here. And then the last number that we have to multiply will be the 7. So we're going to go, oh, it's hundreds now. So I can't put down 1 0 for the tens column. How many zeros will I have to put down? Because I'm multiplying by 100, I'll put down 2 zeros. And then I'll go 7 4s are 28. And then I will draw my line and I will add all these numbers up. Notice that all these numbers are set up beautifully in their place values. My 1s are here, my 10s are here, my 100s are here, and my 1000s are over here. So I add up all my 1s together and I get 2. I add up all my 10s and I get 11. And at this point here, I carry the 1. I add up my hundreds now. I have 9 hundreds and I have 2 thousands. And that is how we get the answer to that equation. Let's double check it down here just to see if we've got exactly the same answer down here when we used our split strategy. So we have 2 in the 1s. Now we go over to the 10s. We've got 8 plus 3 equals 11. Carry the 1. Now we go to our hundreds and we've got 8 plus 1 is 9, and we go to our thousands and we got 2 thousands only, and look at that, the answer is exactly the same because we multiplied 4 by every single part of this number 728.